All right, good day to you wherever you're watching this. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a ready-made VTU software and generate hundreds of thousands of naira as a developer or as a VTU business owner. So I'm going to create a folder under this VTU software website where you can see I've created a folder called demo, and I'm going to upload the let me just take it one level up. I just created this folder. It's an empty folder, and inside this folder I'm going to be uploading the VTU software, and I'm going to be configuring it for it to work just like a VTU website will do. So if you are a WordPress developer, you can use this particular software, or if you are an HTML, or if you can write your own front-end HTML code, or whichever language you want to use. So instead of building something like this demo, like that, instead of designing completely a complete interface like this, so I'm going to be showing you. I'll just upload the script, which is going to start from the login here, the login, the register interface, and every other thing that you need to have when you are running a VTU website. So let's start. Let's go ahead. So I'm going to click on the upload file here. Under this video, you have a link to the script that you can upload and use to build your own website. You can charge your client 40, 50, 100,000, 150,000 naira to build the complete VTU website for them. So I'll click on the select. In my own case, the complete script is here with the front end, but I don't want to use the front end because you may want to design the front end yourself. So all you need to do is click on the I'm going to go to my downloads, and I will locate the one that doesn't have the front end like this, because as a developer, I think as a developer, you may want to build something up for yourself. You want to create your own custom interface. So you look for the VTU software. I only upload the user aspect, but should in case you want me to give you the complete, you don't want to build the front end yourself, you can as well contact me and I will send the front end aspect to you. All right, so let me just log into this account. The system has logged me out. Okay, I'll go to the cPanel for the account. Then I'll go to my file manager. I will locate where I'm putting the file, which is under. So I'll upload the file here. Select the file. If the user aspect is the PHP script that does that, just open this. So it's just going to take a couple of these seconds. You have to wait for those periods. So you watch it until you have a complete 100%, and make sure that it's green. Make sure that it's green before you go back to the page and possibly refresh. So I'm uploading it inside this page. The systems have logged me out. Let me relog in again. I'm using Namecheap. If you are wondering the type of hosting I'm using Namecheap. So so I'll navigate to where I have the file manager, and under the file manager I'll locate to where I have that particular VTU software, and I have demo here. So I have the file inside the demo. So I will extract here, just extract here, extract it to demo. All right, so reload the page. So in that case I have this. So select all this, select all this, select all, and I'll move it away from the folder to a demo folder. Okay, so I'll go back here. So right now what I have now is vtu software / demo. So let me check to see what we have here. vtu software / demo. Okay, let me see what we have. Good. We have an interface that is similar to this. You can see what we have here. But there's one more thing we are going to do is to set up the database. Okay, so to set up the demo. All right, now I have vtu software / demo. This is what it's bringing now. So the next thing is for me to go inside my cPanel, go inside my cPanel, locate your cPanel and go to my SQL database wizard. We want to create a password. I want to create an account for a demo system. So just click on this. Please, when you are don't use MySQL database wizard. Of course, MySQL databases, you can use any of these, but you must be a professional to use that. But this makes it easy. Database wizard, click on it. Then I'll use demo to create a database. I'll click on next step. So after the database is created, then it asks you to also create the user. So I'll use demo 2. Then I can use admin at demo vtu, admin at demo vtu. Don't forget the password you use here, because it's still going to be needed in the course of our installation. Just click on up privilege and make changes. Okay, immediately that is done, copy this database name. Okay, don't forget. Then go to open the software, look for custom config, put the database name, then put the demo, put the username. Okay, on the password here, I don't have you must use the password you use, admin at demo. I'm not sure what I use again. So just use the password you use when creating the, okay, admin, I'm not sure if it is capital letter, at demo vtu. Okay, all right. So if this password is wrong, I'm still going to show her some things. Okay, let's save the changes. Now what we have now is demo, so change the path name to demo. All right, instead of so let's change the path name to demo, and let's see what we have here. So you're going to, now if you attempt to log in here with the default username and password, you will have error. So the error will look like this. Possibly you couldn't log in and something like that. So this is what happened. You only created a database, which is let me see the database we have over here. Let me see the database we have over here. Go to PHP, go to cPanel again and navigate to PHP-admin. If you have created a database for your portal, PHP-admin. So we're going to look for the demo database that is created for this particular website. So I have the demo here. So there is an SQL file that you need to upload, which is also part of this software. So when you get to your cPanel, in my own case, I have a lot of websites here. So just locate your own simple ones that is created. Click on import, then click on choose file to browse. Then on my vtu software, you will always see the database together. Open the database and click on import. So once that is successfully imported to your system, You have to wait for it successful. Then you can open it up. Okay, now I'll come back here. So I'll go back here. To reduce the stress, you have the username. Of course, you can come back here. You go to users to change the admin, change the admin details, but you may not be able to change the password here. It's much easier to change it from the front end. So what you need to do is use the same username, demo vtu, or any username that you have changed it to from your user account here. Then go to this place. My own case, I'm using demo vtu. Click on forget password. Now there are some things you need to change here, and one of those things is don't forget, this is an admin account by default. Don't forget, change this OTP to your 6-digit pin you want to use. In my own case, I use the first 6 digits of my phone number for this, or let me just use 080 754. Okay, it should be first 6 digits 754. All right, my own OTP code is 754. So just put your email or your demo vtu or your username. You can take any of the three, your phone number, click on proceed. Immediately you click on the reset password and it takes you to where you can reset your password. You click on proceed. It fetch out your record for you and you can set a new password. I just will demo admin. Now here you have your first OTP. I think I use 080. It will only allow you to enter number 754. Make sure that is in line with the OTP code you use here, because that's what will make you to be able to set a new password. Make sure that you use the right code, then set your new password. In my own case, I use demo admin. All right, once that is set, the next thing you are going to do is click on the modify password. Once that is there, click on modify password. Okay, let's see what happened. Click on modify password. Make sure you use the right code. It will fetch out the records you have here. And click on modify password. All right, the password is successfully changed now. So I can now log in as an admin with my username and password. Demo vtu. Then I'll use demo admin. All right. So this is how to successfully install the VTU software. Now a lot of things, the few things are still here you can check. I have created the complete videos as well for you to be able to do some modifications to all of these too. All right, so this is an admin password, and you can always check the videos. I've created the complete videos on how to manage the admin, both the user end and also the admin password. The network is still slow, that's why it's like that. I'm refreshing to be sure everything is in order. Okay, the network. Okay, good. So this is what you have now. Of course, these are some of the demo transactions we put on the system, but there's one more thing you can do as the owner of the script. Because this is an admin interface, you have where you can switch to admin, where you can do some modifications, set your API key, generate the WEMA account, and every other thing. So just switch. I'll use the same password, demo admin. All right, demo admin. Click on gain access. You can go through it under this place. Immediately you do that, the menu you have at the site here will change. So you can go to the setting where you can create more user. Okay, this is the only admin. You can create another admin, or can go to system settings. Under the system settings, there are some things we've done here, like you can change the color. If the color of your front end is different from the color we have here, you can click on this and modify to change the color. You can see that the color immediately will change. Okay, this is where to set your modified details. This is where to set your endpoint. All right, so your endpoint now will be immobile. You just go to immobile accounts and create an account, immobilesms.com, immobilesms.com, and create an account. So I put an endpoint here. The code here is not working because you just need to create an account on immobile and get your API key that you are going to put here. Just put the URL immobile/API just like this, and you will get your, immediately you create an account, just send a message to the admin with your username to send you your API key before the API key is open. But for some security reason, because if anybody has access to this video, it can use anybody's API key. Just send a message to the admin. You can send a WhatsApp message to the admin to get your API key. So just tell them your username, they will give you your API key, which you are going to put here. Immediately you put the API key here, you are good to go. You are good to go. Just make sure that this is the endpoint URL and you put your API key. Put your modified details here. Okay, the network is a bit slow. Okay, the network, I think my network is not that good. So once you just do all of that, the system is in place. And if you need any challenge connecting to the API key, you will have a free WhatsApp here that you can just send them a WhatsApp. They can help you to fix out what you have on that. So that's all on that. That's how to create the, just under this video you have a link where you can download the script and the database. Thank you for watching this video. If you have learned one or two things, kindly share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to see update. Also, I will be releasing another video shortly on how you can create an Android app for your, that can be uploaded on your Play Store for your VTU portal. Thank you for joining.